In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appear offline in Microsoft Teams and set status duration. Whether you're taking a much needed break from constant notifications or just need some uninterrupted work time, knowing how to adjust your status is a valuable skill. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to make sure you're signed into your Microsoft Teams account. Open the Teams application on your device. If you're not automatically logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the main Teams interface, which is your gateway to all the collaboration features Teams has to offer. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the Teams window. You'll see your profile picture or avatar right there. Clicking on your profile logo will open a drop-down menu. This menu is where Microsoft Teams lets you customize and control a variety of settings related to your account. It's a powerful tool to manage your presence and activities on the platform. Within that menu, you'll notice an option displaying your current status. This status might be set to available, busy, or perhaps another setting, depending on your recent activities or meetings. Click on your current status to bring up a list of status options. Among the options provided, look for the one labelled Appear Offline. Once you spot it, select it. This is the key step to making yourself appear invisible to others on the platform. Essentially, by selecting Appear Offline, your status will be hidden from your contacts and it will seem as though you are not online or available, despite the fact that you're active in the application. It's important to remember this doesn't prevent you from using Teams. You can continue to work as usual without interruptions. By setting your status to Appear Offline, you create a space for yourself that's free from messages and notifications, allowing you more control over your interactions. While it might look simple, this feature can be quite beneficial in managing your time and attention, especially during high focus tasks or personal time when you really need to decompress. And there you have it. Just those few clicks allow you to appear offline in Microsoft Teams. It's a straightforward process, yet incredibly useful for maintaining focus or valuing some quiet downtime. Always remember to adjust your status back to online when you're ready to engage with your colleagues again to foster collaboration and communication when needed. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Feel free to explore more features within Teams to optimize how you interact with your colleagues and manage your workflow.